came in from the distance, dressed with clothes of skin and hide. It seemed an ancient knowledge, your books they kept inside. Fought 1,000 times, and I'd like to think I won, but they arguably were stalemates, feats of one-on-one. About it now, I was someone else before, a ruler of a kingdom with nothing at the core. Lived in empty chambers, knocking down the city doors. I'd love to know where you ended up and what it's like wherever that you are. One thing I regret, it was stealing all those cedars, removing Baba's head, but it was fun. Run the roads reckless, abandoned, fighting with the sun, taking back the trophies to the cities that were ours. Emerging in another world. Swap all of my clothes for some old and tattered robes. I'll pack a couple of favorites, some classics for the road. I'll tie off all my loose ends, don't know when I'm coming back. I'll dig out all your old books and I'll read them like a man. And when the map ends,